Hi guys, welcome back. For today I do have this box, which I'm so excited for because it is the Season Greetings 2019. And yeah, I joined a Go for this because I wanted to get Youngie's baby card, and I literally have no luck whatsoever. Okay, I finally got it open. So far it looks pretty good. No damage. Honestly, it is way smaller than I thought. I thought it was gonna be like huge. But this is the cover. It's so cute. ID4, or do you put the thing on here or when? This is so cute. Okay, let's start opening it. Oh my god. Let's see. That little bit. Oh, and since I did get a chance to pre-order it with the first batch, it does look like it came with the mouse pad, and oh my god, it came with the indoors one. The indoors one is my favorite. Oh my god, I love this. This is so pretty. Okay, that does nice. Did she give freebies? What are these? Wow, this one's already so pretty. Wow, what are these? Oh, a bigger version of these. I love this picture. Just take a look. My Yoonmin baby. Look at them. Yes. Oh, the outside one too. These are so pretty. It's the calendar, which I don't know how to open right. January. Oh my god. February, my month. Oh, Jungkook. My bias wrecker. Very close tie with Jimin because this boy. Jimmy got March. Oh my god. He's pretty. Jim. April. I suddenly forgot what April was. Look at how cute they are. Namji. OT7. Is there an easier way for me to open this? No, I have to do it this way. Yobi. For August. Oh, Yogi. For September. Oh, October. I think I skipped September. I'll go back in a bit. No. Oh my god. September's right here. Oh, this is so soft. November. Wait, this way. We hope for December. And then OT7 for January of next year. 2020. That was so pretty. And then the little stamps, you extend it up like this. That's so cute. Oh my god. I got his baby picture. Oh my god. Oh, wait, this is so tiny. I thought it was gonna be so much bigger. This whole thing, I thought it was gonna be so much bigger. Oh my god. She literally got like 4 Youngis and like 200 Jins. So I was not sure I was gonna get Youngis. Oh, and it's translucent. It's translucent. The paper right here. Look at how cute he is. Oh my god. Hold on, is it focusing? Focus, please. I mean, he's so cute. Where did I put this? What are these? Oh, are these the ID photos? ID photos. Namjoon. Hold on. Namjoon. Yoongi. Jin. Obi. Jimin. Tay with his specs. Oi. Kim Jong-un. So cute. Okay, and then the DVD, which I'm gonna watch right after this. Oh, that's weird. Huh. Then, oh, ito dito. There. And then what's this? Oh, the little post-it notes. I've been seeing these all over the place. I love these. Really cool stuff. I love these. Oh, there's a bunch of them. That's lit. And then the washi tapes. They really don't. I'm gonna open it for you. This is cute. Oh, these are so pretty. I'm never gonna use these. I love these, okay. What's this? Or is this the planner? So this is sugar because I was reading sugar. Is this the bottom of the box? Yes, the bottom of the box. I thought it was something else. Yeah, that's it. Oh my god. I'm still so happy that I got Yoongi's baby photo card. Because I really did not think, like, 4 chances out of like 40 orders. Oh, I need the paper to put it back. That's so cute. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Till next time.